today with a time of 10.78. Mr. Ronald Johns came out and ran very well all weekend with the Toyota Glanza. However, he was unable to hold off his rival in the finals. But, however, well done, Mr. Johns. You're receiving your cash prize and your trophy. But we have to turn some attention to Mr. Roland Crawford. Put your hands together for Roland Crawford, please. This man has taken the bad end of a beating stick for about 2 years racing here at Jambois, and I think he has well deserved everyone's respect for controlling that car and performing very well out here this weekend with a personal best of 10.02. Congratulations, Mr. Roland Crawford. We're looking forward to see you tame that beast right into the 9 second.
Well deserved win, you know. Been doing this thing over the last couple of years and paying off now. Carry my trophy. Well, another trophy, but I work for this one.
Definitely.
You know, definitely work for this one.
All right. For the next meet, March 9, I mean, we don't want to put too much, you know, build up too much, you know, but what is it that you're hoping for the next meet?
Well, the next meet we definitely want to move over in the 9 second class. Wanted to move over in there from today.
Right.
But when we talk to Puffy said better just run out on the 10 out. So
get some more seat time as well.
Yeah, more seat time and get more comfortable in the car.
Yeah.
The car at first we was behaving radical this morning and yesterday. So we made the decision to turn down the power on the car, which resulted in us getting a faster and more consistent time, as you can see at 10.2, 10.1 and now at 10.0.
Oh.
Yeah, so we basically with the power turned down on the car, we're getting faster. So we're definitely getting more seat time.
Dialing in the
car. And it does 9 second capability, low 9s and high 8s in it.
Looking forward to it.
That was just Damage gave me a wonderful motor, and Puffy gave me an extremely good tune. So therefore the combination was really good. The car ran flawless today. Hats off between them. See the Chug started. We went to the finals, you know, eliminating everybody. So you had 2 extreme built cars going straight out to the finals. It was good.
Good. Well, looking forward to you at the next meet, Roland, and all the best.
Yes, man. Thank you so much. Big up 876 Street, alright?
Respect.
Team Elite couldn't do it without them also.
Definitely.
They've been here supporting me right through. We sleepless night in getting a new motor put in. Brand new motor put in and everything, so we get it done. You know? Looking forward to it.
Alright.
I'm looking forward to the footage too, you know. And listen, you need to do some interview, you know. And Mr. Lizard.
We interrupt our program to bring you this important message.
To be honest, I really don't have a great rival now, because really and truly they are not really in my class. I was thinking about, I have a list that I made that I need to sort out a certain group of men, you know, let them know what time it is. You know, so I have a what you would call a little list, you know, a shit list, if you want to put it that way. Yeah. Now, on the bottom of that list, I had Roland on the bottom of that list, but I am going to move him up to the top.
What happened to that list? What happened to that list there?
What's that there? What you missing? Too much part down here. Eh? Lizard.
Alright.
Lizard, next event. Be there. Alright? Make sure you show up at the next event.
Big up.
Something like this.